Hey everyone, and today we have the Dragy DRG70-C. This is their newest version of their drag racing and lap timer tracking. And like I said, this is the -C, so that means this is the USB Type-C version. This is also a 25 hertz version, so this is their fastest and most accurate device that they have. And it says 10th generation and up to 20 hours of battery life. So let's go ahead, and what initially shocked me is when I was opening up the box, how small the actual packaging is. And comparing it to my Racebox Pro, of course, this is a standalone unit. This, you need your phone. But I mean, look at the size difference between these two devices. That is pretty wild, right? So what the bottom of it has is magnets, so you can pretty much stick it anywhere. Like my car is pretty much metal everywhere inside the car, so I can stick it almost anywhere, I would think. Probably just gonna put one of these metal pieces that they come with, 3M tape on the back, and you can just stick it, double side tape it, and then stick the Dragy device to it. Comes with two of them, so you can maybe have one for if you have two different vehicles or such. And then of course it has your quick start guide, and that's pretty much it. So we are going to be doing some testing on this device to see how it does. And I am going to be comparing it to my Racebox Pro. This is a 10 hertz version, but like I said, this is standalone and this is using your phone. So if you're in a small tight space, you have this device and you can use this for tracking all of your drag racing and lap times. Now, Dragy did reach out to me and said, hey, if we send you a device, can you do a review of it? And I said, absolutely. So I do not have a app control device, so I definitely wanted to test this out. I know Dragy has come out with some new features. Their lap timing, their mapping, supposedly they're doing very well. As when I was looking at the app itself, at actually having 3D-ish type looks at the map whenever you're reviewing all your metrics. And of course, it looks like you're going to get everything that you need for the device, and making yourself being able to improve your times. So I just want to end it here. We are going to be, next video will be about testing the actual device itself. And one thing I did want to note is you do get a nice, looks like a nylon braided USB-C type cable with it. Then, as I said, you get your two magnetic pieces. So please make sure you guys like and subscribe, help support the channel, and we'll see you next time.